Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now scroll down again and keep tapping on the build number to activate the developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I've just recorded a tutorial about them, so I highly recommend to simply check it and gain more knowledge about them. So after activating, we have to go back to the general settings and enter the system. Tap on Advanced and then let's tap on the developer options. And as you can see here, we've got the developer options, the advanced options, and basically all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit. This option is not really far away from the top. We've got the automatic system updates. This option in my case is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. Right now it is active, which simply means that your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really have to remember about updating your device manually. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so your device will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your CAT S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.